hit you with that doo-doo. Dooby-dooby-dop-dop, 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 dooby-dooby-dip-dip, dooby-dooby-dop-dop-dop-dop, dip-dip-dip-dip-dip-dip, dooby-dooby-dop-dop-dooby-dop.
I owed him up.
1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, dun, 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 dun. Okay, okay. And then, let's come forward. Norberto, let's dance. 1, 2, 3, gonna rock, rock. 1, 2, dun, 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 ding. Tulaling, tularong, tang, tung, ting, tang, tung, ting, tang, tung. Okay, done.
Pahalok at kuday,
halok lang sa uban.
Ikaw may gusto ko,
Nganong ako nga ana may uban.
maghalok yun daday.
Nilagi ko kay wa ako'y gusto.
Erog-erog,
Unsa hirog,
erog-erog intang nga yutay.
Kahapon lang tayo'y magkasama at parang mula ika'y nawala. Sariwa pa sa aking isipan mga sumpa mo at pagsuyo.
Mahirap talaga maging pogi, kaya pasalamat tayo, hindi natin na-experience.
Mga kababayan, nandito po ko ngayon sa Rotterdam Central, waiting po sa next train bound to Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. Ang pangalan ng train nito is NS Train Netherlands. Very fast and safe, no delay. Sana makatch ko po yung next flight ng aeroplano. Salamat Netherlands. I have a really good time here. Really beautiful and amazing country. Sa mga kababayan ko, I would recommend everybody to come and visit and see how beautiful the city of Netherlands now. So guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Utrecht, Netherlands. So samahan niyo ako, pupunta natin yung Nijmegen at papasukin natin yung train kung anong mayroon sa loob ng train ng NS Train Netherlands. Tara guys, punta natin. Okay, so ito po yung train, pasukin natin yung pintuan. So ngayon ay class 2 po ako. Ito po is ground floor nila. So of course, may second floor din. Akit tayo sa taas. Okay. So, tulak natin yung pintuan. Alright. So, hanap tayo ng space kung saan banda yung pwede upuan. Okay. Punta tayo ngayon sa Nijmegen. Okay. Hi guys, mga kababayan, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my page. I am Lasarte Norberto Jr. I will introduce this place, Europort Botlek, Rotterdam, Netherlands. This is the one of the biggest port in Europe. Now, we are sailing bound to Belgium. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. And see you next time. Thank you. And God bless. Bye. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dati page lang, pero ngayon YouTube na. Kasi mahirap pag-page. Hindi mo alam kung anong mayroon. Page 1 ba o page 2? Yung tulay napuputol.